Good morning guys. Today I'm back with a short video. There has been lot of questions from my viewers due to Android Auto connectivity. So today this video is about a troubleshooting steps which I think will solve 99% of the problems of Android Auto connectivity. So let's start the video. For this I have brought an old phone so that it will be easier for you to understand. Now before going to Android Auto in the phone setups, I will tell you one thing that you should do to your head unit after there is a firmware update or anything like that. You are having good connectivity, but after a firmware update you find that your phone is not getting connected to your Android Auto. In that particular step there is an option to go to factory default. Here is the settings menu, and there you will find a system setup is there, and here is the reset to factory defaults. Now I will tell you, you should do that reset factory default first and see whether your problem is solved or not. In many cases, if you reset to factory defaults, your problem is solved. Now if it doesn't solve your problem, I am coming to the next step. Now in the next step, before you connect your Android Auto, make sure your cable is in good condition. The preference is that you should have a OEM cable, that is the original cable supplied by the company, and if you don't want to use the original cable, do invest in a good quality cable. And how would you determine a good quality cable? Your cable should at least be able to carry 3 amps current and above. Remember that, so don't buy those cheap cables. Next step will be to check your Android Auto version. This is an older phone, mind that. Now I go to manage apps. Let me find. Here is the Android Auto. Here you see there is an update a few days back, and now the current version is 9.6. Now what happens during an update, sometimes your update files you have written in a corrupted condition or your files are broken. So in that condition you won't get good proper connection. So in that case you need to do something. What you need to do, I will tell you. You should go to clear data. There is a clear cache, okay, and then what I will suggest you, you go to uninstall updates. You uninstall all the updates, and then I will tell you, you again go to take an update, because until and unless you take an update you won't be able to connect. So I am going to I am again clearing the cache. Now I will go to, I am force stopped, okay. Now I will update Android Auto. You see the version is now back to 1.0. Now let me update it. Now I will go to Android Auto. Now I will update. It will take some time. Once the update is finished, I will show you how it's installing the updates. So remember, I have done 2 steps. I have uninstalled the Android Auto and reinstalled it, and in this head unit, in the head unit I have reset to factory defaults. It asks to turn on the ignition, so it will be only possible when you turn on the ignition. Now let us go to home and let me connect the phone with this particular cable. Okay, I'll go to file transfer. You see, connected to your car. So it has got connected to your car and it is asking to go for the following instructions. Let me start the car first. Okay. Now these are the steps. Next, it has been connected. Now I press Android Auto and you see the home screen has come up. Now I am telling you a new version is going to come, 9.7, where you will get the weather widget in your taskbar. So wait for that particular update. So in this way you can easily connect your Android Auto to your head unit without any problem, and I think in most of the cases the Android Auto connection issue will be solved. Another thing I like to tell you, which I have missed in this particular session, a lot of my viewers were asking why Bluetooth is required in Android Auto. Let me tell you guys, Android Auto is Bluetooth is required in Android Auto because it is the Bluetooth that tells the head unit that it is connected with the phone, and Bluetooth doesn't have that much bandwidth, so it won't be able to transfer this data from your phone to the head unit. So that's why you need a wired connection. Even in wireless Android Auto, the first time setup you need a wired connection. So wired is very important. I prefer a wired connection as the bandwidth is much more than the wireless one, and in some of the cases even after connection you will see there is a problem. In that case I will tell you, which is very important, sometimes the Bluetooth profile of Android Auto sometimes gets corrupted. In that case you need to disable your Bluetooth connection. Here you see the Bluetooth already has been connected to Connect Next. So in that case I will tell you to remove the Bluetooth profile from your phone and reinstall the Bluetooth profile, reinstall the Bluetooth connection. So your Bluetooth connection will be in proper condition, and until and unless your phone has got a proper Bluetooth connection between the head unit and your phone, you won't be able to connect to Android Auto. That is also very important, so remember that. So you need a stable Bluetooth connection and a stable wired connection to get proper Android Auto feature. So I think I have been able to explain you the problems you are facing with Android Auto, and in 99% of the cases you will be able to solve this problem. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, and I am very sad to see only a few portion of my viewers do subscribe. Please do subscribe because your subscription gives me encouragement to make more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye. Please do subscribe. बंद कर दो.